So today we have Satish. So we are starting a discussion on master detail interactive grid. So is this my screen is visible to you?
Yes, your screen is fully visible to me.
Okay, let me log in first with my name. So I'm just going to present here the master detail, how we can create a master detail in a interactive grid. Uh, Actually, there are two way to
Okay.
create. The first will I will give a demo of how on the page way in a we can say wizard way, and the one of the another way like the custom way how we can give the how we can create a master detail. So let me create first through the wizard. I'm just going to click on the create page. You can see the master detail here in a components.
Okay.
Let just
Okay.
click on the master detail. Here there are three
Okay.
kind of a section. If you want to learn about the stacks side by side and drill down, so just click on the help
Okay.
section. You can see the different kind of styles. So the first one is a single page master detail utilizing a table interactive grids. It means in a single page it will give a master detail. First one would be a master, then second would be a detail. So I'm first time I'm going to take a step, then I will give a demo in another video side by side and a drill down, right?
Okay. No
So
problem.
I'm taking a stack now. The I'm will have to give the name of the page, so I'm giving the page name master detail. So here is the master data source. So the first one is a local database, second one is a REST enabled SQL service, third one is a REST data source. The first one is a local database. It means when I select local database, so in a table section it will come from the schema. This is the schema. If when I select this one, so if I have created any kind of services, so this will populate here. If I select the REST source, so if I have, so this will populate from the data source. So right now I'm going to take a local database. So for now we'll have to select the table. So the we'll have to select the first table, the department. This is the parent table, DEPT. Let's select the department. Here this is already defined a primary key. You can see department number is a primary key in this table. If you have another primary key in this table, so you can define as a second primary key. So detailed region title, it would be a employee, employee, employee. So again the same as I had seen the last wizard. So I'm not going through this, so I'm taking a local database. So if I enable yes, so it will show only the related tables, like if you are the if the two tables have relationship, then that table would show here. So let me
Okay.
open this table. So it will open the relational tables like emp. It would show yes, there is a relation foreign key and primary key relationship. That's why it's showing, right? Let me click on the next button. So in the detail table we'll have to define a primary key. So there is a employee number is a primary key, but if you have another primary key, so you can define here. If you don't have, so no need to define here. So and in the next section we'll have to define the relationship. If you click on, so you can see department is a relationship in both the tables, right? So just click on the
Okay.
department and department number and create the page. Let me click on the create page, and now page has been created now. And let me run this page and we'll see you can see the there are two regions. First one is a department and second one is from employee, right? If you click on the
Yes.
research, so you can see the second region data is being refreshed, right? If you click on the sales third, you can see the below region data is been refreshed. So let me see how we can add the any kind of a value in a below region. So let me add a new row. I'm giving a your name. Satish. Okay. ANAGER. Sorry. Let me make it as a capital. AGER. I'm not going to give any kind of a value right now. Okay. Let me give the salary. It's a dummy column. So if I want to save this, so there is a button save. If I'm going to click on the save button, so you can see Satish, the row of the Satish has been saved in a employee table, right?
Okay.
So this is the first way how we can use the master detail and how we can create the master detail. So is there any question here? So other, if you don't have any question, so I can move ahead to the another way in a custom way.
Yeah. So just like as I know about the master detail table, actually there is relationship between two table, but just like in the employee table, you have entered my name in the fourth section, and but I have did not understand uh, like which department you have to edit me.
Or the operations, you can see I have selected the operations. So data has been refreshed
Okay.
as per the selection. If I'm going to select the sales, the data has been refreshed here, right?
Okay, okay,
If I
okay.
add row here,
So,
so it will be adding in a sales department,
okay,
right? This is the way.
okay, okay. So, okay, based on this
Based on the
click,
selection.
based on the selection, the below region has been refreshed.
Yes.
Okay. So now all my points has been clear. So you can move to your you can
Custom
move
way.
to your next.
So let me create a
next
normal page so we can give a short demo. This is the blank page. This would be a blank page basically, right?
Okay.
So I'm giving again master detail demo 2, demo 1. I'm going to run this page, so it would be a blank page. So now I'm going to create a region. This is a department. This would be a master table,
Okay.
right? Here this is the types. So we are going to take a interactive grid, right? So here we'll have to select the name of the table. We can also define through the views, but we are not going to take a views. I'm going to define a department table, right? I'm going to create another region. So let me add a region below. So it would be a employee region, EMPLOY employee. Again, I'm going to define as an interactive grid. Need to define a table of the interactive grid. EMP with the table, right? And when we are going to create master detail, so the interactive grid would be editable always, right? So I'm going to define a
Without editable, we cannot make a master detail table.
there no need, there is no use actually. We can create, but there is no use. You can only refresh or all the things, but if you want to add or delete or do more exercises there, so we'll have to enable that features, right? I'm not so sure,
Mhm.
but we can see in this video, is this possible to create or not? Let me check first. So we'll have to define first the in a master details section there would be a section. Let me check that section is coming or not. I don't see that section where we can define master detail relationship. So let me enable first this is editable, and we are now going to enable this section. So again, if I'm going to see, so this you can see this is a parent region. So I'm going to enable the parent region as a department. in employees region, right?
So actually, this
This is
is
the, oh, sorry,
related
this
to
is
the layout.
the layout,
This is
right?
not
Sorry,
related to master.
sorry. This is the master detail relationship. Sorry.
Before your point,
Before,
you did
yes,
before when you remove the edit option in the employee and department area. On that time, you have not uh, going go in the region side. You have to check
yeah,
only the attribute
attribute side,
section.
right. Same I was thinking. Let me search this. So we'll have to define a primary key here. So let me add a primary key as a department. Here I'm going to define a primary key as an employee, right?
Okay.
A employee doesn't have a defined which is okay.
We have to define the relationship between the department number.
Yes.
There is an option. There is a one option, master option.
I'm just looking for that. Yeah, this is the,
Scroll down a little bit. Yeah.
yeah, this is. So let me save this page. Yeah, you can see this is being refreshed, but you can see only as per the refreshed part, but you cannot add any kind of value or any kind of a row. So for
Yeah.
that kind of exercise you will have to enable the editable part, right?
If yeah, but if you have to
Just for the knowledge
clear
purpose, there is a way we can create a master detail as without editable.
without it.
Yeah, so let me enable the editable options in both regions.
Both section, both regions.
So I'm going to run this. So we can perform as we have performed earlier. So you can see I'm just going to add another name. I'm going to this is my employee ID. I'm going to take name. I'm not sure we can define a manager, or can we leave it blank? So let me save this.
Yes.
Actually we don't have any customs button, so we'll have to create first.
Yeah. But there is an option on the interactive report side. But when we have created as a through the wizard, but there is no option on the save button.
Yeah, there is no option because this is a custom way, so we'll have to create a button as a custom, right?
No. I'm saying that when we are creating through the wizard, there is no option enable when in
For
the
button.
interactive side for save button.
Right,
there is only one save button, but in this method we have two save button and you are creating third button.
Yes. Yeah, right. But now I have disabled the buttons which were given by the in Oracle Apex in an interactive grid. So I have disabled both the buttons, and I have created a new button which is named as a save, right?
Okay.
So let me create a row in employee section 10000 and A and Ankit. I'm keeping as a blank. So let me save this. I think data has been saved, so you can see the code has been saved, right?
Okay.
So this is the second way by which we can get the master detail interactive grid, and through which we can add, update and delete the row. This is the two methods which I know as of now. So is there any question for this? So if you have any question in your mind, so you can ask. If we don't have any question, so we can move ahead.